behind me, the radar lighting up like a Christmas tree. There is activity. So we're going to be on close watch with the radar because any of these thunderstorms could be impacting tonight's game. And so it's very important that, well, if you hear thunder roar, you know the drill. You have to go indoors. We're tracking showers and storms mostly over the Everglades, with some of them close enough clipping our far western neighborhoods. So we're going to take you there. The first one just outside of Weston, and these storms are slowly moving to the east. So that's going to be something we will continue to track as the afternoon turns into the evening. I want to take you south because this is where we have an area of rain. It's a cluster with pretty heavy thunderstorms, and guess where it's heading towards? It's heading towards those ongoing wildfires, and you can see the fire burning right around here, and just to the south, an area of rain. But of course, all eyes are on what's going on later on this evening. Will there still be storms by 6 o'clock? The answer in short is yes. And when I see you next, we're going to walk you through the remainder of this evening. We'll talk about the rest of the week and the weekend ahead. Showers and storms continue to move through the region, and we do have a severe thunderstorm warning to warn you about. Most of the action you can see where it is over the Everglades, but it is clipping some of our far western neighborhoods, and this is going to stick around until 4:30. It's been hatched for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. In addition to those strong winds, it's also prompting lots and lots of lightning strikes, and that's going to be a hazard here as we move forward over the next couple of hours. Any thunderstorm that does move through, not only will it bring heavy rain, but it's also going to bring frequent lightning, the kind that's dangerous, the kind that's dangerous. So it's just something to keep in mind. This particular cluster is providing 93 lightning strikes every 15 minutes. So that is certainly intense. And we'll continue to see this slowly drift off towards the west, but places like Miami also tapping in on some of that rain. And then we have yet another cluster of storms north and west of Coral Springs. So still over the Everglades across many locations. However, some models continue to hint that most of those storms will begin to drift back off towards the west. And if that's the case, as we head closer to 6 o'clock, and as a lot of folks head down to the stadium, this is something we're going to be watching closely. 89 degrees here at kickoff. We'll see showers and storms somewhere in the vicinity. Will it be right over Miami Stadium? We'll just have to wait and see. By midway, temperatures are still scorching, 88, and by the end of the game, we'll see those temps in the 80s. We'll continue to watch this closely because if we have a thunderstorm within an 8-mile radius of the stadium, that game will get delayed, and there is activity out there, and we'll continue to see activity at least until 9 p.m. tonight. So thunderstorms end early, otherwise partly cloudy, very warm, and that'll give way to a hot and steamy day for our Thursday. We'll continue to see these daily afternoon downpours here over the next couple of days before drier air begins to push in, and this is what's going to deliver slightly lower rain chances, and this looks likely on Sunday. For now, we're calling it a 30% chance straight on through Monday of next week before rain chances become a bit more numerous by Tuesday and Wednesday. So the big takeaway, watch out for thunderstorms to continue to develop throughout the afternoon. We'll be watching that closely too. Otherwise, a very hot and steamy end of